Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did go ahead and use this Maddie Ziegler palette again in collaboration with Morphe. I do like this palette. I'm having some fun with it, so I think I'm going to play with it just a little bit more before I move on to something else. I did go ahead and take inspo for my shirt today. It says Witchy Woman and it's this like purplish burgundy color. This is what it looks like. One of my friends actually owns a company. It's Crow Crafts on Facebook, so I actually got this from her. Oh, what is happening? Technical difficulties. But yeah, so I got it from her last fall along with a couple other shirts and I really like it. I ended up just cutting the collar off because I have this weird thing with like tight shirts around my throat. I don't like it. I can't stand it. I start like panicking if something's too tight around my neck. So yeah. I also redid my nails finally. It's been like weeks, I feel like, maybe even a little over a month since I've had my nails on. I don't know, but so I just did like nude with little sparkles. I don't know if you can tell, but I painted sparkles on the inside as well. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. Like I said, I really am enjoying this palette. I think it's a cute little palette. You can get a lot of different looks out of it. This yellow, along with like these nudes, I want to try to do like that Kylie Jenner makeup look where she had like the poppy yellow on the inner corner with just, you know, a nude lid. But yeah, I think it's cute. It's a fun little palette, and the cover is actually pretty neat too. If you were on acid and you looked at this thing, my birthday's in a couple days and I'm really keeping my fingers crossed, hoping that my husband gets me that Norvina palette. So yeah, Norvina Volume 5, that's the one that I want. Fingers crossed he gets it for me. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.